Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this playlist, the myEcon Full Business Review for 2025. If you're watching this playlist or watching these videos about myEcon, it's really important that you make sure that you watch all of the videos starting from the very beginning of this playlist. So if you're new to my channel or new to this playlist, right down below this video, you're going to see a link that's going to get you right back here to the screen that I'm on. So as an example, I'll click on this video right here. Now, chances are when you watch this, you might see right down below the video, whether you're on a desktop device or a tablet or mobile phone, you're going to see a little more here. Right down in the description below, you're going to see a little button that says more, and it's going to open up a lot of information in here. And specifically, when you click on this link right here, it's going to take you right back to the playlist itself. So if you need to get back to that first video, make sure you watch these in order so you'll understand the first video, which is your myEcon business overview. It's going to go over everything about myEcon, the products, the services, the myEcon compensation plan, all of those things as we head out in here into 2025. And then the next video, this free system, okay, this is going to talk about everything that you get when you activate your myEcon membership. You're going to get over $11,000 in free value just by partnering with me. And then this video here, as we go forward, we're going to get into the actual products and services inside of myEcon. I also go over the back office, literally everything you need to know about myEcon here in this playlist. So in the previous video, I went over the actual income shifting, which is one of the very core products of myEcon, explaining a little bit more about that, how to use it. In this video here, I'm going to dive into the myEcon credit repair. Now, if you are not familiar with credit repair, it's something that, a lot of people here in the United States need. And we all know that credit is king. In order for you to do really anything with your life, anything that is substantial, whether it be getting a home, refinancing, loans, automobiles, any of those things, you need to have a decent credit score. So I'm going to tell you right now from experience, if your credit score is below a 720, if you don't have great credit or really good credit right now, you need this product. You need this service. And anybody could do this. Anybody could walk through this credit repair program. And I can tell you from someone, again, from experience here, I went from a 500 plus credit score many years ago to now over an 800 credit score. And it's because of the myEcon credit repair system. And plain and simple, if I can do this, if I can get results like this, so can you. Okay. So let me walk you through how it works. It's very, very straightforward. All of the videos are easy to understand, easy to comprehend as you're going through this process. Like all of the myEcon products and services, you're going to have a little introductory video. Please make sure that you watch that. And then as we go through, it's literally going to be steps, I think 1 through 6 or 7. I'm going to take you through them. I'm not going to go into detail the credit repair program and the platform here specifically for that, going into detail. I'm just going to give you the overview in this video so you can understand where to get access to it, how it works, what you could possibly get out of it if you go through and you apply these steps, okay? So first thing you're going to do is this video is going to walk you through how to pull your credit report. Again, very simple, very straightforward. You can do this for free. It's not going to cost you any additional money to pull your report, and they're going to show you how to do that, okay? Step number 2, free secondary bureaus. So essentially what this is going to do is as you go through and you start the dispute process with the things that you want to get removed from your credit report, as you go through that process, this here, freezing the secondary bureaus, is going to make sure that, really anyone that wants to dispute what you're disputing is going to have a very hard time doing that. That's probably the easiest way I can put that. But of course, this video here is going to explain all of that a lot more in detail. Okay. And of course, all of the resources that you're going to need, everything that you need by how you're going to do this, how you're going to pull your credit report, every bit of that information is right here on this site. Again, you're going to get full access to this once you activate your myEcon membership. Now, for whatever crazy reason, if you have not done that yet, please link in the description down below. Get yourself started. I don't care what level you join at. Just get yourself started. Get here on the inside. Be part of this amazing team. Be part of this amazing company and start fixing your credit, man. Come on, let's go. Okay. Step number 3, once you print out your credit report. Now you're going to start checking it for errors. Again, watch the video. It's going to show you what to look for, how to start making those marks, making those notations, and what you're going to want to start removing from your credit report. Okay. Step number 4, this is where you really start getting into the meat and potatoes. You're going to start removing items from your credit report. You're going to start that dispute process. You're going to do this a couple of different ways. Okay. You're going to be sending letters to the credit bureaus. And again, this is going to walk you through what that looks like, all of those things. There's a really, really cool piece of information in here, okay, that I want to highlight. And this is something that a lot of credit repair programs do not have, okay? And that is the debt validation letter, okay? This is a way for you to, and I've done other videos on this, this is a way for you to verify the dispute that you're sending into the credit bureaus. This is a way for you to verify that information is 100% accurate. And the credit bureaus are going to have a very hard time disputing this when you are using that debt validation letter. I'm just saying there's a very, very big key right there. Okay. So again, go through the process, follow the steps. This could work for you. Okay. Step 5, they talk to you about credit utilization, making sure that you're taking all the additional steps on your end. It's not just about removing the stuff off of your credit report. It's also putting the pieces into place for yourself, and that you're doing things that are going to increase your credit score, meaning that you're going to be paying your bills early. You're going to be watching your credit utilization. How much credit are you actually using compared to, what you're allowed to spend is, and making sure that you're doing everything on your end as well as the creditor's end to help increase your score. Okay. Step number 6, build credit. Pretty self-explanatory. A lot of the things that I just talked about right there. Okay. And again, all of those downloads, PowerPoints, anything that you're going to use is all in here. Okay. And then of course the last congratulatory video. I want to make sure I said that correctly, but it's all here, my friend. Everything you need to go ahead and repair your credit is all right here. Everything you need. And of course, as you're going through this process, you could very simply be plugging into our Facebook group, be part of our community. We literally have well over 5,000 people in our Facebook group. So if you have questions, you can reach out, you can ask us, you can plug into our daily live streams. We go live 5 times per week to coach you, train you, teach you, motivate you, push you, all of those things to not only use the myEcon products and services so you could take advantage of those, but also to build and grow your business and build and grow your income. So hope you got value from this video. Move on to the next video in the playlist. We will dive into another product and service that myEcon offers. If you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell, get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. If you have not gotten started with myEcon yet, go ahead, link in the description down below. And of course, if you have any questions for me at all, I left my phone number right here at the top of this video. Text me, ask me anything. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.